Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of a non-working touchpad on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Follow along step by step and you will have your touchpad working again in no time. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, click on your Start menu, then just select Settings. Now over here, just click on Bluetooth and Devices on the left. Then in this menu, you should be able to see touchpad on the right, just like Bluetooth over here. Make sure that the touchpad is enabled just like this. And once you see it is enabled, just simply close the window. Next, again, open the search menu and type main.cpl and hit enter. Now look for a tab or option related to your touchpad and just simply ensure that it is also enabled right over here. And after verifying that, again, close the control panel. Now right-click on your Start menu and select Device Manager. In the new Device Manager window, just simply go to Mice and Pointing Devices. Over here, locate the touchpad driver, then right-click on it. After that, just simply click on Update Drivers, then select Search Automatically for Drivers. Make sure that your PC is connected to the internet so Windows can find the latest version of your driver. If your driver is already up to date, you can simply close the Device Manager window. Next, right-click on your Start menu and search Settings. Then click on Troubleshoot on the right under the Troubleshooting option, which you can see right over here. Over here, click on Other Troubleshooters. Now in this section, if you're able to see mouse, touchpad, or keyboard-related options in the troubleshooting area, just simply click on the Run option, which is available in front of them. Although you might think keyboard and mouse settings won't work in the troubleshooting section, it actually helps to resolve the issue with input devices like your touchpad. Finally, restart your PC to apply all changes. Once your computer restarts, check if the touchpad is working properly or not. And that's it. You should now have a fully functional touchpad on your Windows 11 device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.